Hi, so in this video we are going to talk about Python pattern programming. So for that we have to open the decoder application, and you can find the decoder application tutorial on my YouTube channel pages. So for that we have to click on this create and go to the programming language we want to do. We want to do Python 3. So I'm going to name this file as pattern and click on create, and after that you will get this kind of an interface. This is a sample code, so I will select all and backspace. Now we have to create two loops. So for, let's say, I in range, so this is for the row and one will be for the column. So 0 or 2, let's say 9, and I will terminate it over here. And again for j in range, so the inner loop will have 1, it will start from 1 and it will end in the range of I. And again terminate, print, I'm going to print j, okay, I'm going to print j comma end equal to quotation on and quotation off. The next line I'm going to say print open and close parenthesis, and this will be aligned over here. And now I will run this, and you can see that it has given me this kind of a pattern: 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now if you want to do reverse pattern, so how can you do that? So let's see from the very beginning. So for I in range, so the range will be again from 9 to 1, and it will come backwards, so -1, and terminate over here. Again for j in range, and it will be from I and terminate. So I'm defining I in that particular loop, that is the inner loop, and it will be print, I'm going to print j end equal to quotation on and off, and print open and close parenthesis. Now let's see what happens over here. Okay, so if you get this kind of advertisements, you can subscribe for this particular application for $0.99 per month, or you can just cover that particular advertisement. So this is the reverse pattern. You can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it is coming from 0. Okay, so I will be defining here that it will start from 1, and let's see what happens here. Yeah, now it's starting from 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it's decreasing. So this is the decreasing order of this particular pattern program. So please comment down below in the video what do you think about these pattern programs, and should I bring these pattern programs in the near future as well? If you tell me that please bring all the pattern programs related to Python and Java, then I will certainly make some tutorial videos on that as well, and complete tutorial videos. These were short tutorial videos, I will make long ones as well. So thanks for watching the video, and also do not forget to like, subscribe, and join this channel, by which you get a lot of videos daily. Thanks for watching.